What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are having a comparison between two W King Bluetooth speaker. Over on my left hand side I have got a W King X10 and on right W King D9. Now both speakers are outdoor compatible and they both have got their dominancy in terms of bass output. I have done a full detailed video review on both of these Bluetooth speaker, but now we're going to briefly look into their features following with their audio output performance. That's how the comparison is all about. Now, it's not necessary that who will be the winner of this competition or the comparison. It's all about showing you what is offered by both of them. Now, if we look into the features and specifications offered by W King X10, it comes with a built-in DSP with the waterproof rating of IPX6. With the deep bass feature, come with 3 passive radiators and the battery life of 45 hours, supporting all the features like a true wireless stereo, micro SD card, auxiliary port, everything good you expect from any W King Bluetooth speaker. Also have a fast charging option as well. Come with the titanium line drivers. They are fantastic for sure with a higher frequency range. Now if we look into the W King D9, which has been about 6 months since it's released, come with a fantastic bass output. All together with the 60 watt of output can peak up to 80 watts. Whereas X10 with the maximum output of 70 watt and can peak up to 90 watts, 10 watts higher. Come with the IPX6 water rating, proper DSP setup, 12,000 mAh battery life, lasts you up to 36 hours. Not that bad at all. Exactly similar kind of features which you expect from X10 are available in here. But the issue is one big passive radiator in there. And also from the design side, you're going to see a big difference between both of them. On D9 you have got a fixed handle which can be removed easily as well if you want to, but you do not have any other option to carry it around. Whereas if you look into the X10, come with the removable shoulder straps. You like to see more about it, check out my full detailed video review. I have left a link in the video description for that. Honestly speaking, this comparison would be more or less like to check the audio output performance of both speakers and see which one performs better. So let's not waste too much of time and get into that part. Well, here we are in the end of this video, and honestly speaking, both speakers have performed better in my personal opinion, but my vote is always going for X10. The reason is very simple. I don't know, have you guys heard it very clearly or not? The last track which I played is based on the bass actually. It was a bass and a bit of a higher frequencies middle in it too. W King X10 was performing throughout very nicely. It was showing the lower basses very nicely as well as showing the higher side of it too. Whereas W King D9 was completely concentrated over the bass of it. When it was playing the bass, it was missing all the high notes easily. And that's what my thinking is. But if you are in a bassy music, W King D9 is a better choice, no doubt whatsoever. Bass which comes out of this speaker, you can actually feel it in your body, and it's only been possible due to the biggest passive radiator they have got on the back. Let's suppose if they change a bit of design and have a port underneath the speaker, a simple change in design will put this speaker on the top range for sure. Now X10 is fantastic from every single range. The way it's showing the higher frequencies as well as the lower frequencies, is technically not losing its bass performance by resonating the bass all around it. You can actually feel it, guys. That's what I'm trying to say here. I have done this comparison with the Xtreme 3. Xtreme 3 was completely out of the league in front of it in terms of bass and a higher frequency output too. Now that will be all, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.